Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 21. These three are gates of hell, destructive of the self: lust, anger, and greed. Therefore, one should abandon these three.
Chapter 16, Shloka 21. Trividham narakasyedam dwaram nashanam atmanah kamakrodastata lobah tasmad etatrayam tyajet.
Chapter 16, Shloka 21, describing the technique of hastening one's evolution. Lord Krishna says, the three gateways to reach hell are indicated as lust, anger, and greed. Hell and heaven are conditions created by the mind only. They are merely subjective experiences in life. And the three false values mentioned here are three main causes of the former. The main theme of the entire chapter is to call man away from a life of sense gratification into the ampler fields of desireless actions and egoless perfections. Where there is desire, anger is natural. Out of a sense of incompleteness, man desires, aggrandizes, and possesses, hoping to get complete. When some obstacle comes between us and the desired object, then the thoughts and feelings expressed are called anger. When a storm of revolt arises in our mind, it is tossed to get wrecked and sink. If anger is the expression of thoughts of the mind at the disappointment of a desire, greed is the erosion of our mental strength and inner peace when more and more desires are satiated. Greed is a sense of dissatisfaction constantly pursuing and poisoning the sense of satisfaction that we have already experienced. In an indisciplined man, there can be no satisfaction at any time. Even when his desires are satisfied, he is unhappy because his appetite for enjoyment is thereby sharpened and he hungers for more. Therefore, Lord Krishna says that one should forsake these three: lust, anger, and greed. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.